Hello there. Well, I'm back. I'm back this morning after Storm Jocelyn or whatever, to check on damage. Second time this week, and once again I'm absolutely delighted that I got no damage. I've got no damage. The polytunnels stood the test of time, and I've no glass broken for the greenhouse, although neighbour down there has had 3 panes smashed, and they're pretty expensive. Now I'm paying the glasses quite expensive to replace, but another lucky, well, do you call it lucky when they've got to spend a few quid sorting out the greenhouse. But yeah, trees have blown about a bit. What I have noticed is this box is leaning into the polytunnel slightly, pushing it in. So I'll have a look at that. In fact, I'm going to move these boxes. That's my intention. So we're all good in the hood. Once again, RS fencing stood the test of time. Just a couple of trays flying about, and nothing else to report. I'm not attempting to do any tidying up today. I did it the other day after the last storm, and it won't keep still, will it? I can't secure everything down, no one can when we're getting these balmy storms. But let me show you this. Look at these little beauties coming up. There you go. Look at that one. Calabrese. And I've had a quick look down here. Just quick lift. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. Not too worried about these. Well, they're coming up now. So these are Craig's. So how lucky am I? Flipping heck. Over the moon. Over the moon. And I've heard it's a pleasant weekend up to now, so I can crack on with some little jobs that I want to do and everything else. Bit more weeding, bit more digging. I like digging. Anyway, I'm going. In the meantime, take care. Bye now. Bye bye.